have arrived. I have never been able to do this in my life. This is so cool. So today we are going to pick from our peach tree and I think also from the plum tree because they need to come down, otherwise they'll rot. So there's that. Wow, was sind da viele? Look at that. Oh my god, they're huge. Ja, die nichts mehr sind da. Jetzt ist already full. Okay. Ugh. Oh, look at that. Oh, so gross. When I was a child, you could still like actually walk through here. So this has like overgrown, obviously, but this like leads back to where the sheep used to run free. But yeah, there are no longer any sheep. Look at these. That's huge. And the size difference between this one and this one is also yeah, quite interesting. Oh my gosh, these are so thick. Yeah, just we're not in Georgia, but close enough. Oh nein, Papa! Mom, Papa! Aber wo hänge ich das jetzt am dümmsten hin?
Das
habe ich
musst
nirgendwo Platz.
du selbst entscheiden. Ganz oben rüber vielleicht.
Nee. Ich habe nirgendwo Platz.
Der über dir nicht?
Nee, der ist nämlich so abschüssig und dann ist er auch direkt über meinem Kopf. Okay, so there was a frog downstairs. Dad caught it. He wanted me to catch it, but I was too scared. Oh, Dad, it's wet outside. I don't have socks on. Okay. Oh, bist du lieb. Oh, these shoes are way too big.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, I'm so freaking scared of these things. Ooh. Where is he? Oh my gosh. He's alive and well. Bye. I didn't sleep well at all yesterday. I was up until like 3 a.m. But anyway, we just picked some plums. Now we're also going to pick some apples, and then we're going to be on our merry way quite soon. And that will be the end of my nature retreat, but I felt like I kind of needed it. And it was really nice to spend time with my grandparents. And yeah, just to have some time to really talk to them, because whenever I just meet them for a little while, like just for a couple hours, then obviously we'll eat or do something, and then we don't really get to talk about like deep topics and for a long time. Here is one of the apple trees.